Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll show you how to blend your image smoothly into a gradient background in Canva. Click Create, then choose Custom Size. Enter 200 by 200 pixels and click Create again to make your new project canvas. Start by creating a new design. Next, click on the Images tab in the sidebar. Browse through the available images or upload your own, then drag and drop your chosen image onto the canvas. Type the image you want into the search bar under Elements. Press Enter to view related image results you can use in your project. Click on the photo you want to edit. For this example, let's select this image. Once the photo is open, locate and click the Beach Remover button. This tool will automatically begin processing the image, removing the background to leave you with a clean, isolated subject ready for use. Change the background color to silver by selecting the background area, then choosing the silver color option from the palette. Once the background updates, locate and select the Elements tab to begin adding different elements to your design as needed. Type Present into the designated field and press Enter to confirm. This action will update the status to Present and save your changes automatically, ensuring your attendance is recorded. To make an object transparent, first select the object you want to edit. Then, look for the transparency or opacity settings in the Properties panel. Adjust the slider or enter a percentage value to set your desired transparency level. Your object will now appear more transparent. Select this option. Click on the one that says Thank You. This will set the Thank You template for your project. Once selected, you'll see a preview showing exactly how your message will appear. If you're satisfied with the preview, click the Use Template button to apply it. You can still make edits to the text or formatting at this stage if needed. When you finalize your changes, save your work to confirm the update. You've now successfully chosen the Thank You template. Your message is ready to be shared or published using this new template. Press Ctrl+P to duplicate the current object. Once you've created the duplicate, go to the search bar and type Glow. This will help you quickly locate the glow effect in the list of available effects. Select Glow to prepare for the next step. Select the object you want to move. Right-click, then choose Send to Back to place the selected object behind all other elements in your design. Type 385 in the recipient field, then double-check to ensure the number is correct. Once verified, press the Send button to deliver your message. Wait for confirmation that your message has been successfully sent to 385. To begin, send the initial photo for the interview process. Open your preferred messaging or email application, then select the attachment option. Locate the photo you want to send from your device's gallery. Tap on the selected photo to attach it to your message or email. Make sure you have included any relevant details or subject lines as requested for the interview. Double-check the recipient's contact information to ensure accuracy. Once the photo and information are attached, press the Send button to submit your initial interview material. After sending, wait for a confirmation or response from the recipient. This completes the photo submission step, preparing you for the next phase of the interview process. You just learned how to fade images into gradient backgrounds with Canva. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.